Should I choose new tax regime or old tax regime? Let us clear this confusion by way of an example. Assuming that your income is 24 lakh, we are just taking an example, okay. Let us see the tax as per new regime. Up to 4 lakh tax is nil, 4 to 8 tax is 5%, 8 to 12 10%, 12 to 16 15%, 16 to 20 20%, and 20 to 24 25%, okay. Total tax is 3 lakh. We will add a cess of 4%, 12,000. So total tax as per new tax regime is 3 lakh 12,000. Now let us see tax as per old regime. Up to 2.5 lakh tax is nil, 2.5 to 5% 5 to 10 lakh 20%, and above 10 lakh 30% tax. Total tax is 5 lakh 32,500. We will add a cess of 4%, 21,300. So total tax as per old regime is 5 lakh 53,800. You can clearly see new tax regime is better than old tax regime. But wait, under old tax regime you can save tax through various ways, okay. So you have got 80C where you get 1.5 lakh tax benefit. You can invest in national pension scheme 50,000. Health insurance you can take 25,000 for yourself, 25,000 for your parents. Housing loan interest up to 2 lakh tax benefit you can get. Education loan interest amount you can take the tax benefit. So there are multiple tax deductions available. Now you have to total your tax deductions which are applicable to you, okay. And if your total tax deductions is according to this, if your total tax deduction is 7,75,000, then tax as per old regime will be same as tax as per new regime. So 3,12,000, 3,12,000. So both the tax regime will be same for you if your total deduction is 7,75,000. So if your total deduction is more than 7,75,000, choose old regime. Otherwise you choose new regime. I hope this is clear. But now what about the people with 20 lakhs income, 15 lakhs income, 14 lakhs income? So there is a post which I have already posted on Instagram which you can check. Here you can see. So at each income level I have mentioned which regime is better. So for 15 lakh for example, if your total deduction is more than 5,18,750, you can choose old regime. Otherwise new regime is better. So I hope this is clear. Thank you.